think I'm going to make
Yep.
almost tonight, I think.
There's nothing better cooking with your cousins and your family.
We're going to do one more like this, look.
Yeah.
The pepper too. The pepper. The lemon too.
Yep. So guys, look how perfectly we did this, because we're making steak, mashed potatoes with special sauce, and it's gonna be very spicy. So, if you don't like spicy food, I would advise you not to eat this. But if you love spicy food, then I think you guys should give it a shot, because I like spicy food. We all love spicy food. So, this is some cool cooking ideas for everyone that wants to try new meals. So, be sure to stay tuned for more cool stuff. Anyways.
We have the two kind of sauce. One is spicy, one is spicy.
Yeah, one is spicy and one is not spicy. So, yeah. Alright, and later on, guys, there will be a taste review, so.
We're going to go next video now when you come.
So don't forget to share, subscribe, and more. See ya in the next video.